Welcome to ShepherdEmpire. So today we are going to learn about basic formulas in Excel. That is the basic arithmetic formulas that you can use in Excel for your calculations. So before that, let's get to understand the meaning of Excel. We're saying that a formula in Excel is an instruction given by the user to carry out some activities within spreadsheet. Generally, it's calculation. So we've given you some further explanations over here, and now we're also looking at these some formulas that we are going to focus on today. Has to do with the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so many others. Right now, we're going to move to the next sheet. As I already showed you in my previous video, we dealt with the interface. So we're going to the example sheet here. So when you look at this sheet, basically contains some data and then some calculations as well, some formatting and all that. So we are going to start with how this data got into the table. Right. So when you have data like this and then you want to put it in a table, one thing about table is that when you use table to work, you can always update it, and then if you have some links with other lookups and all that or other pivot tables, it will just update it. Okay, so when you have a data like this, you just go to insert here and then table. So assuming there was no table around this data, it will automatically highlight this table for you. So for example, let me come here. You realize that it has given me table. So you can just you just click OK. So that means it will just give you your work or your data in a table form. But that's not what we are doing today. So I want it back here right now. So I have data of sales and then some formulas that we are going to calculate here. So now these are the formulas and functions that we'll be using today, from sum, average, maximum, minimum, subtraction, addition, multiplication, and then division. All right, so sum basically adds everything that you want to add. That is, you select a range and then it will add it for you. And then average is like finding the mean of whatever figures you have. And then maximum will look out for the highest value within the range of cells that you select. And then the same thing applies to minimum as well. On the side of subtraction, addition, and the multiplication, we're also going to work on that. Okay, so now let me create another set of table here. So first one is I have to do with the name, and then we go to the formula. All right, so I want it to look exactly as so I'll just highlight this and then go here. I change the color. Right, so now I have my sum, have my average, have my max. I also have my meaning, and then have my subtraction. Okay, have my addition here, multiplication, and division. Right, so now I want to add everything up here. So just go straight to formula. Then before you type any formula in Excel, don't forget to type your equal to sign. So formula sum, then I'll select this range of cells. You can do that manually and then hit enter. Right, so this is what I have. The figure here looks different from this one because the figure here selected from D4 to D10 in the formula bar here, and then that is what we can see here. So the first sum I did was from the D4 to D10, so it wasn't for all all the values in this cell. Now I want to find average. In the same way, you're going to be equal to average, then I select all here, working out all the data, so I get it as well. So now I want to look out for the maximum number. Don't forget to type your equal to sign. So maximum number within this range of cells, and enter. So you realize that it is 9,800, and then that is what we highlighted over here. Now the minimum number equals minimum, so, and then I select all the range of cells here. Now it is 1,200, and that one is also here. So I want to subtract the minimum number from the maximum number, and this one we're not going to use any function. It's more or less like a formula. So equal to, and then I'll select this one, and I'll bring my minus sign. This one, very simple. Hit your enter, and then you get this value. I want to add them as well, so I'll set equal to, and then I'll select this one. This time around I'm not going to go with minus. I want to go with as here, this one, and then simple, we have it. I want to multiply the same set of figures, so equal to, I select the first one. Now multiplication here has to do with the star 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 star, and then mostly is shift 8 on your keyboard. So I select the other one, and then I have it. Now I want to divide those same thing, same value or same cell. That is 9,800 and then 1,200, and that one is equal to, I select the first one, divided by, and then you just use your forward slash second one. Then we have it. Right. So basically, this is very simple method that you can use to do your computation. That is the basic one. We are going to move forward and then do more complex calculations, formulas, being look up, and a whole lot moving forward. Right, so don't forget to subscribe and also keep sharing. And then if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. All right, so you're going to meet again next time with a different tutorial. Stay tuned and have a great time. Bye bye.